Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add a new hierarchy level within Juniper's Uinta. So what I've done is I'm in my project hierarchy within my Edit Project menu here, and you can see I've already set up this benchmark hierarchy with the point one below. And now what I want to do is I want to add a hierarchy to this point option. And what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to click in the bottom right corner on the orange plus button to create a new level. It's going to show a menu here that says no record exists with a one-to-many relationships. Would you like to create a new record type to represent a new level in the project hierarchy? I'm going to hit yes. I want to create a new record as I want to add some documentation to this point hierarchy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it the aptly named documentation. Once I have that selected, I'm going to now base it on something else. So I'm going to base mine on a blank form for now. You can see my symbol, color, and icon are also editable, but I'm going to leave those as is and hit the check mark in the bottom right corner. Another menu here is going to pop up that's going to say New Project Hierarchy. Do you want all existing record types to link to documentation? And I can cancel the relationships manually if I so please. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the link all option to make this nice and easy for myself. And you can see here, I now have benchmark, point, and then the documentation. And you can see here I have this benchmark, this point, and then documentation. If I back all the way out of my hierarchy here, you can see I've got benchmark, area, line, point, record, and I've now added an additional hierarchy level to this point option. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you add a new hierarchy level within Juniper's Uinta. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really just helps out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.